diameter of about 30 lakhs 91,060 kilometers and accounts for 99.86% of the total mass of our solar system. Its surface burns at about 5,500 degrees Celsius, while its core reaches to a temperature of 15 million degrees Celsius due to continuous nuclear fusion. Light from the sun takes just over 8 minutes to reach Earth, while